Some folks were made to sit behind a desk. Others, they're built different. Born to work in some of the most dangerous places. They lay it all on the line every single day and do it again tomorrow. We make safety apparel for you and the people who depend on you. From the battlefield to your field. We make gear that moves the way you need it to. We make gear that keeps you cool and comfortable. Above all else, we make sure that wherever your job takes you, you're protected. We are NSA, America's safety choice.